My name is Carey Demmons. My job is in the construction management branch of MARTA, and we're going to replace running rails that the trains run on. We have steel wheels on our train, and when you get that steel wheel making contact with the steel rails, the steel wears out. After so many years, it has to be replaced to maintain that safe and quality ride. What we are doing right now, we're going to replace switches, better known as turnouts. The turnouts are used to cross trains from one track to the other track. We will actually cut out the old rails and replace them with brand new running rails in order to maintain safety for our passengers. We try to do this type of work when it causes the least amount of disruption to our passengers. So we do it on nights and on weekends. I started my career in the transit industry at MARTA 42 years ago. I like the outdoors. I want to thank the Lord for giving me a job to doing something that I love. We're making the ride quality better, and we're making it safer for our passengers and for our employees because we ride the train too. There's nothing better than getting that smooth ride from brand new replaced rails and turnouts. It makes it even more comfortable when you're riding the train, reading your book. It's just a great thing to have a better ride, to keep our system functioning properly and safely.